Hello everyone and welcome to our tutorial on AdManager Pro. Today we'll guide you through the features and setup of this powerful tool for integrating various ad networks into your Unity projects. Let's dive in. Step 1, getting started. First, navigate to the Tools tab in Unity and select AdManager Pro Easy Setup. This will open the AdManager Pro window where you can start configuring the asset. In the open window, you'll see options to integrate different ad networks. For now, let's focus on AdMob. After clicking on the button, you will be taken to the site with the latest version of AdMob for Unity. Make sure it is the latest, download it, and import it into the editor. It's crucial to test your ads before going live. If test mode is checked, the default test IDs from AdMob will be used instead of your live IDs. Always use test mode to ensure your integration works correctly, and remember to uncheck it before releasing your app. Step 2, asset configuration. You don't need to fill in all fields if you only plan to use rewarded ads. Simply copy and paste the rewarded ID, and it won't affect the functionality of the asset. Once you have entered your ad IDs and configured other settings, click the Save button to apply your changes. Step 3, implementing ads. To initialize ads in your script, make sure to include using AdManager Pro at the top of your script. This allows you to access the asset's functionality. You can show, hide, or destroy ads using the provided code snippets. For example, to show a banner ad, use the appropriate method from the asset. By default, the banner ad is positioned at the bottom of the screen. To change the position, add ad position to your request and select the desired position. To request an ad, use the method provided in the documentation. This should be called once at the beginning of your game or scene. To check if an ad is available before showing it, use the provided methods to query the ad status. To show a rewarded ad, call the method and provide a callback to handle whether the ad was watched or not. To start working with native advertising, it must be enabled in AdManager Pro. Make sure that native advertising support is enabled in the asset configuration. Install the SDK and specify the appropriate ID. Native ads are only loaded and displayed within the app itself. Therefore, you won't see native ads in the Unity editor. Testing native ads requires creating a build of your app and running it on a device. To request native ads, use the following code snippet to load an ad and set the required fields. Image field, assign an image component in Unity where the image of the ad will be displayed. Body text, assign a text or text mesh per component to describe the ad. Header text, assign a text or text mesh per component for the ad's header. That's it for today's tutorial on AdManager Pro. We hope this guide helps you get started with integrating ads into your Unity projects. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check the documentation or reach out to support. Thanks for watching and happy developing.